Hey guys, it's Sol here from All 4x4 Spares. I'm here today showing off one of our customers' brand spanking Toyota Land Cruiser Prados. Our customer's been waiting on this car for about 12 months now. We got our hands on it last week and I'm gonna run you through what we've been up to. So to start with guys, this vehicle here has not been first registered. So we've gone and fitted a federal compliance Lovells GVM upgrade. So before this vehicle came to us, the GVM or gross vehicle mass on this car was 3,000 kilograms or 3 tonne. We have now fitted the Lovells GVM upgrade, taking this vehicle out to 3.5 tonne or 3,500 kilos. Again, even with federal compliance, big thing with the Lovells GVM upgrades is it does also increase the GCM or gross combined mass. So this vehicle here now has a GVM of 3.5 tonne and a GCM of 6,550 kilograms or 6.55 tonne. Now you probably spotted this beautiful looking bull bar. This one here is an off-road animal Toro bar. Toro is for the hoops. This is paramount for protecting the headlights and radiator for outback driving. Now the customer's gone with some really nice additions here. We've got the 22-inch light bar recessed in there, as well as the carbon 12,000 pound winch, some really great choices. And then to tie it all off, the customers picked themselves a set of steady 8.5-inch X Pro driving lights. Great looking bar. Now hidden under here guys is a set of Airbag Man airbags. Now they sit inside the coil on a coil sprung rear vehicle, and we have gone ahead and installed the high pressure kit which comes with the Kevlar protection sleeves. Wouldn't install them without them. So that there will run 2 valves to the back of the vehicle, which if you come around, I'll show you. Under here, we've got 2 independent valves, left to right, great for towing. But even if you did have something like a massive fridge on one side of that vehicle, they're really great that you can inflate or deflate one or the other, just to level up and trim the vehicle to have it driving nicely. It's really important for your brake proportioning and things like that when towing a big caravan as well. Well guys, that about sums up what we've been doing on this beautiful brand new Prado. If you yourself are looking to get a bull bar, a winch, some driving lights, some 12-volt work, you know, a GVM, suspension, a long-range tank, or anything, please pick up the phone, give us a call, shoot us an email, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching. See you guys.